Dude, this is so sick.
What do you think about it?
It's nice. It's a nice view.
We just sent that.
Okay, just don't think about it, just do it.
Security.
This got really sketchy really quick. Filming?
Yeah.
Alright, we know most of you that watch our videos are actually not subscribed, so subscribe to Eric and Miles for more stuff, and subscribe so you don't miss any of our stuff.
Exactly. Because that's the whole point.
Yeah. Like,
why are you on YouTube if you're watching us?
Why are you watching our video and not subscribing?
Exactly.
So just hit that button. It takes half a second.
Like you don't, cause like
There's not really a negative.
Right.
Yeah. What is the negative? What is
Nothing. Nothing.
There is no negative. So like, why not? If you don't like our videos,
then you can unsubscribe later on.
Well,
it really doesn't. Well, no, don't do that. I'm not encouraging that, but I'm saying you have free will.
that's true. And subscribe to our channel to never miss a video. And we know most of you that are seeing this right now are actually not subscribed.
So
do it.
Do that. And get the bell on, apparently.
Oh yeah.
Peace. See ya. See ya. Later.